more. My turn.
Oh.
Good.
Oh.
Okay, my turn. Thank you. Where's the key?
Key.
Key.
Good.
My turn. Key. E.
E. Can I hold your chin? E. E.
Good try.
E.
That's hard. Good try.
All right.
There we go.
She's really thinking
We'll
about
do an
it.
A one, so you can get the A.
And if you have to, Jennifer does this. I don't know if you're comfortable doing this, but we'll just move their like so they're doing this for the E.
Okay, the A one. Okay, you want to show off with this one? My turn. Where's watermelon? Watermelon, very good. Did she say right there? She said My turn. Good girl. There's a little O in there, huh?
Oh.
Can you tell me?
Watermelon.
Good girl.
nice talking.
Okay, my turn, watermelon. My turn, watermelon. My turn, watermelon. You can say my turn. Tell me, say my turn. You say my turn, please. Okay, you can have it. And the ball hook.
You guys are really communicating. Like,
Yeah.
Watermelon.
Oh.
Good try. Good try. Okay, my turn, watermelon. 3, 2, 1. Thank you. High five. Thank you. You can clap. Yay. There you go. Okay. Where's the yo-yo? Yo-yo. Yo-yo. That's a yo-yo.
Yo-yo dog.
Okay. My turn, yo-yo. Thank you. Oh.
Nice job!
Yay!
That was